2018 Nissan Rouge, how to replace cabin filter. It'll be in the back, not behind the glove box, but under the passenger side feet. This was the old filter. This is the new. The arrow should be facing towards the cabin. You'll see a cover like that. All you gotta do is pull it out, and then you'll see the cabin filter right here. And then I yanked it out, and then just put it back in. That's it.